Today we're going to show you how to remove the amplifier from a 2011 Hyundai Tucson. We're going to start at the trunk back here, open up the rear hatch, and lift up the cover to the spare tire. Along the back of this front panel here are 3 plastic screws. Putting forward pressure on them tends to push them back into place, so you back them out a bit and wiggle this entire connector loose, or this entire clip loose, and the clip comes out. Now this clip, because you don't want to put any forward pressure on it, is I can push the screw back into the clip, so no forward pressure on it will back this out. We have one here at the center at the door hatch here, lock, one here, and one also over here on the far left. As for reinstalling the 3 clips along the back of the panel across the threshold, you back the screw out and you're able to push these tabs in and fit them back into the opening. Once it goes back into the opening and is secured to flush spot here, you can push this screw right back in and it locks it into place. This will allow you to pull this panel up. It releases with clips, and we're going to pull it up and set this panel to the side. Next, we're going to take the jack and loosen the jack so we can take it out of the spot here. This will give us a little bit more play in the side panel. We have 1 Phillips screw here on the side panel, a 2nd Phillips screw right down next to where the jack was. Next, we're going to take our 10mm socket and we're going to remove the 2 bolts that secure the jack stand lock. Maybe, there we go. Or the jack stand mount. This jack stand mount will be in the way when it comes to moving the panel. We pulled it off to the side, left the front bolt on. Now this is going to allow us to back up and pull this side panel back. We've lifted the back cover up so that we can play with this side panel. We're going to pull this panel back from the edge of the car, and the clips release. You can hear the clips pull back. Now we've got the panel all pulled back from the side of the car just a little bit, and this will allow you to get in here and the amplifier sits here on the side of the car. There are 2 connectors that go into the side here, although there are a spot for 3 connectors, and these connectors are all keyed so they only fit each the specific slot they go to. There are 4 bolts that hold it into place here, 1 on the 2 on this end of the amplifier. The other 2 you have to reach up and find with your socket, put it on the socket, and remove the bolts that secure it into the car as well. This will allow you to pick the amplifier up with the bracket and remove it from the car. This is how you remove the amplifier from a 2011 Hyundai Tucson. Hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching.